Hello everyone, this is Asher and today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. You surely like to go to the park and play. Can you identify the living and non-living things over there? Let's take example of a park and identify the living and non-living things. Living things are the things that can breathe, feel, grow, move, and give birth to young ones. Example: dog, cat, human being, fish, etc. Things that cannot breathe, cannot feel, cannot grow, cannot move, and do not give birth to young ones are called non-living things. Example: stone, pencil, chair, table, etc. Let us learn some features of living thing. Living things move. Living things move from one place to another. Birds and insects fly in the air using their wings. Fish and ducks swim in water. People and animals move around using their legs. Plants are living things but they cannot move. They show movement in the form of their growth. Living things grow. All living things grow. They grow gradually, slowly from the time of their birth. When they grow, they become bigger in size. Are you of the same size or have grown bigger since your birth? A baby grows first into a child and then into an adult. A kitten grows into a cat. A puppy grows into a dog. Plant grows from a seed to a young plant. Living things need food. All living things including plants need food. We get energy from food and are able to work. Animals depend on plants for food or on other animals. They have to search their food. Plants do not search their food. They can make their food themselves with the help of air, water and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. Living things feel. All living things can feel. We can feel the changes around us. Human beings use their sense organs such as ears to hear, eyes to see, tongue to taste, nose to smell and skin to touch. Animals too use their special organs to feel the change around them. Dogs have very strong sense of smell and hearing. Thus they can save themselves from enemies. Butterflies have antennas present on their heads to feel changes around them. Some birds such as hawks and falcons have very good eyesight. They can see their prey from far. Plants do not have sense organs but can feel the changes around them. Some plants, for example touch-me-not plant, mimosa, can feel. The leaves of touch-me-not plant fold when touched. Living things can breathe. All living things can breathe. They need oxygen present in the air for this process. Living things breathe using different organs. Some animals and humans breathe through lungs and fish breathe through gills. Insects such as cockroaches and caterpillars have air holes called spiracles present on their body. These holes helps them to breathe. Plants also take in air through tiny openings called stomata present on the underside of their leaves. Living things reproduce. All living things produce their own kind. This process is called reproduction. Living things give birth to young ones, lay eggs, and plants mostly reproduce by seeds. Human beings give birth to their young ones. Animals either give birth to young ones or lay eggs, which hatch into a young one and further grows into a mature animal. Dogs, cats, horses and tigers give birth to babies. Birds, insects, etc. lay eggs. Most of the plants reproduce by seeds. Let us learn the features of non-living things. Non-living things do not grow. Have you ever seen your doll or the toy dog grow? They cannot grow because they are non-living things. Non-living things do not feel changes around them. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not reproduce. So these are the features of non-living things. Now let us move on to the difference between living and non-living things. Living things move. Non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things grow. Non-living things do not grow. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things feel. Non-living things cannot feel. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. That's all for this topic. Please like and subscribe my channel Learn with Asher to get more videos. Thank you.